And check out the mountains by Andrew's house. This is where it gets to be fun. I think our back fence went down today with the weight of the snow. Let's see if I can see that from over here in the parking lot at St. James. There's a lot of footsteps on this mountain. It's pretty awesome. It's about 7-8 feet tall and about 20 feet across where they shoved all the snow. Pretty fun. Coming up to our nice white garage. And you can almost see the back of our fence. And it's in a nice little line all going down back there between our yard and Andrew's yard. I have to take a look at that when we can actually walk in the backyard. Oh, didn't realize I'm not going to be able to walk through here. Maybe I can walk over the mountain. Martine and the girls and Trini were out shoveling for a long time today, and you can see our fence all the way down. So the house is looking pretty snowy and pretty good.